Hi dear children, how are you? In this video, I will be teaching you lesson 8. The question answers of lesson 8, that is houses. The types of houses. Okay, let's start. Ready? Okay. Now the first question is, why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind and wild animals. Second question, which factors are considered before building a house? The factors considered before building a house are material, cost, place, weather conditions, etc. Okay. The third question is, what is a permanent house? Pakka house is called a permanent house. These are built with strong materials like brick, cement, wood, steel and stone. Now, question number 4. What is a temporary house? Kacha house is called a temporary house. These are made of mud, bamboo and straw. Now, question number 5 is, name the people who help in making a house. An architect, a mason, a plumber, a carpenter, an electrician and a painter. Now, question number 6. What is an ideal house? An ideal house should have sufficient sunlight and fresh air, and its surrounding areas must be clean. Students, I hope you enjoyed and learned very well the lesson houses. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Meet you soon in the next video.